My journey from nothing to a successful company owner. Good morning, everyone. My name is Arjun Mehta. I am 42 years old, and I am the owner of my own company. But let me tell you something. This success did not come easily. I built this company with my own hard work, sleepless nights, and sacrifices. Today, I want to share my story with you. If you like my story, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Morning. A simple start to a busy day. Every day, I wake up at 5:30 a.m. The first thing I do is thank God for a new day. I get out of bed, stretch a little, and look out of my window. The sky is still dark, and the world is quiet. This is my favorite time of the day. Just me and my thoughts. I make a cup of strong black coffee. No sugar, no milk. Just like my journey, bitter, strong, and real. Then, I sit down with my notebook. Every morning, I write down my goals for the day. I believe that if you don't have a plan, you waste time. By 6:30 a.m., I am ready for a quick workout. A few push-ups, a short run, and I feel fresh. Then, I take a shower and wear my usual outfit, a simple shirt and trousers. I don't need expensive clothes to prove my success. My work speaks for me. Going to work, my office, my dream. By 8 a.m., I leave for the office. I don't have a driver. I drive my own car because I like to feel independent. When I reach my office, I see my team already working. They stand up and greet me with respect. I smile at them because I know the truth. This company is not just mine. It belongs to all of us. I enter my cabin, sit on my chair, and take a deep breath. This chair, this desk, this office, it was all once a dream. And now, I am living in it. But my mind never forgets the past. I still remember those days when I had nothing. Flashback. My struggles and sacrifices. 10 years ago, I was just a young man with big dreams but no money. I worked as a small employee in a company where my boss insulted me every day. "You will never be successful," he once said, laughing at me. That day, I made a promise to myself. One day, I will be my own boss. I worked day and night. I saved every single rupee. While my friends were enjoying their weekends, I was reading books about business. While they were sleeping, I was learning new skills. I even skipped meals just to save money for my dream. There were nights when I cried alone. There were mornings when I felt like giving up. But I didn't stop, because I knew one thing. If I quit, I will stay poor forever. Back to present. The reality of success. Now, I have my own company. People call me Sir, with respect. I have money, a big office, and employees who trust me. But let me tell you a secret, success is not easy. People think rich men have a comfortable life. But the truth is, the higher you go, the lonelier you feel. I still work 14 hours a day. I still face problems every day. Some people try to cheat on me. Some want to see me fail. But I have learned to stay strong, because this is my dream, and I will protect it. Evening. A moment of peace. By 8 p.m., I finally left the office. The city is bright with lights, but my eyes are tired. I go home, eat a simple meal, and spend time with my family. Family is the real wealth. No matter how rich you are, if you don't have loved ones, you are poor. Before sleeping, I sit alone for a few minutes. I close my eyes and remember my journey, from nothing to something. My message to you: success is not about money. It's about never giving up. If you have a dream, fight for it. If you fail, stand up again. If people laugh at you, ignore them. One day, they will respect you. Just like today, people respect me. So, keep working, keep believing, and never stop. Thank you for listening to my story. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. Your dreams are waiting for you. Go and get them.